lovelies, welcome to Glam Secret Skincare channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make an amazing shea cocoa butter. This shea cocoa butter is perfect for all skin, good for children and good for adults as well. So if you have dry, damaged skin that you want to repair, bleached out skin, then this shea cocoa butter is really good for you. Also, it's perfect for the winter season and for the Hamilton season as well. So if you think you're interested in this video, then please keep on watching. So I'll be using two butters for this hydrating, glowing and brightening butter. The first butter I'll be using is the cocoa butter, and I'll be using the cocoa butter because it has so much benefit. The cocoa butter is very good because it's high in fatty acids, which is why it's often touted for its ability to hydrate and nourish the skin. It's very hard and firm compared to the shea butter. The fat in the cocoa butter forms a protective barrier over the skin, and this helps to hold in moisture very well. Cocoa butter is also rich in natural plant compounds called phytochemicals. Now, the second butter that I'll be using is the shea butter, and this is a very popular butter because there's no way you can make a glowing butter without the shea butter. The shea butter is very good if you have sensitive skin, then you can incorporate the shea butter in your lotion. Shea butter actually makes you look younger, it moisturizes your skin very well, and if you're struggling with inflammation, like chronic skin conditions like eczema, then the shea butter is very good for you. Shea butter is also soothing as it contains vitamin A and E. So I'll be using the shea butter and the cocoa butter as my base in this particular glowing, enlightening, brightening skin body butter. I'll be placing the cocoa butter and the shea butter in a dip with water in it. So I'll be doing this and then I'll place it over the heat. This is done so that the nutrients in both butters, the strength of the nutrients will not be affected in any way at all. Next important ingredient that I'll be adding into this butter is the aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is very beneficial to the skin. It helps to soothe sunburn. Aloe vera has cooling properties and it's anti-inflammatory. Helps to moisturize the skin, boosts healing of wounds, helps to fight skin aging. So aloe vera gel is very good for aged skin as well as sensitive skin. It helps to actually reduce infection and acne. So if you're prone to acne, then aloe vera gel should be your ready to go product. Aloe vera gel also helps to lighten blemishes on the face. So I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel into this butter. Introduce you to the different oils that I'll be adding into this butter so as to make it fluffy and lightweight. So I'll be adding the following oils into this butter that I have here. The first oil in this is the extra virgin olive oil. You know my love for virgin olive oil. I like to use the virgin olive oil, the extra virgin olive oil that has all of its nutrients complete in it. So I added extra virgin olive oil as the first oil in this oil mix. The next oil that I'll be adding into this mix right here is my avocado oil. Now, avocado oil is a very good kind of oil because it helps if you have dry skin. Avocado oil is your go-to oil. Avocado for aged skin, and it's also good for baby skin. So if you have dry skin and during the winter season, during the cold, you should make sure that you use avocado oil in your mix. So I'll be adding avocado oil into this mix right here. The very next oil into this butter is the carrot oil. Carrot oil is a very good oil because it helps to actually brighten and lighten your skin. So if you're looking at brightening your skin, lightening your skin, carrot oil is very good. Carrot oil helps with blemishes. Yes, it helps to clear blemishes, helps to clear dark spots. It's also so soothing and moisturizing. Carrot oil is very good for children. It's good for adults as well. So I'll also be adding carrot oil to this. The next oil I added into this oil mix is the lavender oil. Lavender essential oil is really good for your skin. If you have acne, if you're prone to pimples and acne, then try to add a few drops of lavender oil in your face cream and you get to see the benefits of it on your skin. I have my oil mix and I have my aloe vera gel. The next thing I did was to bring over my cocoa butter and my shea butter and it's almost completely melted. Shea butter melts fast because it's a soft butter, so it melts faster than cocoa butter. So you can see that the cocoa butter isn't completely melted, so I'm just going to keep stirring it until it melts completely. Then I'm going to be adding both oils into 1 cup so that I have just one mix to work with. I'm going to be adding the cocoa butter oil into the shea butter oil, and I'm going to give it a good stir so that both oils can combine in properly. Next, I'll be adding my aloe gel into the mix of oils, and I'm going to give it also a good stir so everything combines in properly. Everything infuses into each other so that at the end of the day, you're going to have a good consistency. You're going to have a good butter, that has all of the ingredients mixed together. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm adding the aloe gel into the mix of the shea butter oil and the cocoa butter oil. Next, I'm going to add in my oils, and I'm really going to give it a good stir. Mix and mix and mix until the aloe gel combines into the oils properly, leaving no film behind. So I'm going to add all the oils, and then after that, the next thing I'll be doing is to take the oil into the refrigerator. I'm going to leave it for some few minutes, say 5 to 10 minutes, until it thickens just a bit. And when it solidifies just a bit, then I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like. And then I'm going to use my hand mixer to mix together so that we can see what it looks like at the end of the day. 15 minutes later, I brought it out of the refrigerator, and this is what it looks like. So as you can see, I did not allow it to completely freeze up. So you can see there's still some oil in it, and the butter is not completely freezed up. So this allows for easier and better mixing. Okay, so the next thing I want to do now is to whip it. I was supposed to use my hand mixer here, but it decided to mess up, so I had to just pick my stick blender to mix it. So it's not as easy to use the stick blender as the hand mixer, but that's what I have, and so that's what I'm using right now. Please, if you're watching till this point in time and you've not subscribed, please, what's keeping you, what's holding you from subscribing? Please click on the subscribe button right away, and also turn your notification bell on so that you'll be notified every and any time that I get to upload a new video. So let's keep whipping until we get a very beautiful consistency. So after I had blended for about 10 minutes, I had to blend more because I'm using the stick blender like I earlier stated and not a hand mixer. So it took more of my time. So after I came up with a really nice consistency that I really loved, and then what I had to get was a clean jar. So you're going to get a clean glass jar, mason jar, or get a clean container, and then you're just going to fill it in up with your butter. So this is what it looks like at the end of the day. You can see how the consistency looks like cream, looks like ice cream. Is really beautiful consistency. Now it's beautiful, but it's better on your skin. So guys, this is what it looks like at the end of the day. So I'm just filling it up into my jar, and then I'm gonna cover up and use. So here you have it, guys, my whipped shea cocoa butter. Very amazing on your skin. So till my next video, guys, bye. Thank you for watching.